What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today I'm going to show you this mirror I got this mirror from Home Depot. It's called Myers or something like that. I will look it up and screenshot it, and I'm gonna show you how to hang this mirror. And my wife showed me this trick. She was like, oh, I got a trick for you. I know how to hang stuff very easy. So she found this trick out from Instagram, and I'm going to show y'all this trick because I wish I known this many moons ago. Okay, so first thing you do is figure out which way you're going to hang your mirror, if you're going to go vertical or horizontal. All right, then you want to get yourself some tape. If you could find cheaper tape, be my guest. Right now, this is the only tape I got laying around, and I'll just keep using it. Painter's tape, you can basically reuse it 1,000 times for a different project. What I did was I folded down the tape so I could have a squared edge. And what we're going to do is we are going to put the tape across like so, right? Tape across here, all the way to the other side. I'm staying the same distance from the top to the edge of the tape. This is how I'm doing it. Oh, messed up. All right, do that again. Okay, go across. Make sure I'm on edge. All right, I'm on edge. I'm right on top of that part. Just put your tape down, like so. Get yourself a marker. You want to go ahead and mark the center part. All right, so you have your window. This is basically your window right here. What you do is you find your center line. I centered the mirror. I put the tape where I wanted it, and I have, as y'all saw, the markings for it. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and screw and put the mirror up. All right, so what we're gonna do is put our screw, I'm gonna put it right above my mark. Pretty close. I'm gonna come to this side, put it above this one. If y'all want to, y'all could go ahead and screw through the tape if y'all want, but I don't want to damage the tape. I'm just gonna screw it like that. I'm gonna leave the tape on right now just to see if I want it there or not. All right, I'm on that side. I'm on that side. And that's it. We got the mirror hooked up. It should be level. It's level. And that's it. That's how you hook a mirror up. That is the easiest way to put up pictures, to put up mirrors, whatever you want to put up. Use that method. Don't do what I've been doing for years, doing the measuring center line from this hardware to that hardware, blah, blah, blah. You will be frustrated. But other than that, if you like that little demonstration or that little quick tip, please leave a like, comment if you have any questions, subscribe to the channel for more content, different content, and don't forget to hit the notification button so you can be updated on the new products or the new content we got coming to the channel. Catch y'all on the next one.